In this video, I'll show you how to promote your Etsy shop with Facebook ads. So what we want to do is immediately on Facebook ads, we'll be on the account overview. We want to go to the left and click on campaigns. And you'll see an option that says create. Click on that. Now we need to choose our specific campaign. So choose either auction or reservation, and then choose what the goal of your campaign is. Once you do that, hit continue. Now we want to go to the right and click on one ad set. And in here, we will have our full adjustment settings. We need to set our budget. We need to set our schedule, end dates, and more. Everything here is very self-explanatory though. And once you're done setting everything up here, you'll notice your estimated daily results on the right. And if you're happy, hit next. Now, once you've completed that, what you want to do is after hitting next, you need to put in a name for your ad, choose the specific Facebook pages and Instagram accounts that this ad will be linked to, choose your ad format or setup, and here you need to choose exactly where you want people to be sent to after clicking on the ad. So obviously this is going to be website, and you're going to put in your Etsy store web address here. And again, as you keep going down the list here, everything is rather self-explanatory. Make sure that you read through every piece of information before finally hitting publish, as well as looking at your ad previews over here. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.